Hello, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a poem by the name of Love Among the Ruins by Robert Browning. It was published in 1855 in collection Man and Woman. It was considered the first poem in that collection. Here is a brief summary of it. The poem starts with a narrator describing a country's landscape with a flock of sheep. The sheep return home each evening. The narrator with his attention to a great and happy city which was once the capital of the country. The city is gone now but was located in the place where the sheep now graze. The streets of the city were once filled with people, but now only sheep occupy the space. The city was very important at the time of war and at time of peace. Only a single turret of the city survives to this day. The narrator plans to meet a woman in the turret. He is anxious to see her, and his passion are beginning to raise up within him. Despite his enthusiasm for the woman, he cannot help but think about now a king once ruled from the turret where the woman now waits for him. The woman creeps into his thoughts, but he cannot stop thinking about how a king controlled an entire empire from a now unremarkable turret. The narrator compares the thoughts of the king and his thoughts of the woman and reaches the conclusion that love is best, which was the last line of that specific poem. So, dear students, thanks for watching my video.